All right, so if you're using the three-button layout on your Motorola phone for navigating the phone menus, you can actually change the order of those buttons. And to do that, we're first going to go to Settings, and then scroll down to Gestures. Here on the very top, you will see the System Navigation menu, so we're going to tap that. And here you can choose between the button navigation or the gesture navigation, where you are just swiping without any buttons. To change the button order, though, we're going to tap that little gear icon next to the button navigation. And here you will see a toggle for changing the button order. You'll see when I flip that toggle, the home button always stays in the center, but the position for the recent apps button and the back button, that will change. So you can choose the side where you'd like those two to be placed. I like mine set up like this, so I'm going to leave it that way. But that is how you change the button order on your Motorola phone. Click that like button if this helped, let me know how your day is going in the comments, and before you bounce, make sure to subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.